So when we look at any topic, it's better to have different perspective or better to have different approaches to understand the topic better. It always helps, whatever topic you take. Okay. So I would like to have a different perspective. The perspective being coding, that is the programming side using Python. So of the conditions, talking about infinite, zero, or one solution. That is a1 by a2 being equal to or not equal to the other ratios. Okay. So we're looking at that condition with a different perspective, right? So using this particular code. So the code is not the just not this part itself. It's a bit lengthier. So I'm not showing you all of it, but I'm showing you the conditional part only. That's the first thing. Second thing is, second thing is the code itself. So we have if, else if, and else. These are conditional statement. Means if this particular condition is satisfied, whatever is in front of it, only then the code will be executed. If not, we'll go to the next one. Condition is checked, program will be executed. If not, at last, else will be executed. Okay, so I'll explain that part. So first, let's start off with the very first statement. If I have a condition and I have double equals to sign, these are your conditional, statements. So basically, we are talking about our left hand side and the right hand side making a true statement. Is it giving a true statement? So to explain what is that written over there, I will go to this. So I have the same sign, not equals to sign, double equal to sign, a conditional question. So my question is 3 equal to 33? So this particular conditional statement will either give true, if not false. So we're looking at 3 being equal to 33. Obviously the answer is false. Let me not confuse you guys, right? False, right? What if I make this as well 33? Then we'll get true. Okay. So now basically we're looking at a statement being equals to 0. This will give true or false. And one more conditional statement which also gives you true or false. So what is the role of AND over here? And links this to, okay, in a way wherein if I get true on both the sides, my outcome is true. If I get false on at least one of it, then my outcome is false. Okay, so let me show that. So and 3 is it equal to 33? So one is true, another is false. So the final outcome is false. Okay, but if I get both of them to be true, my outcome is true. Of course, it can be any number. See, true. So if both are true, then the outcome is true. So if both these expressions are true, the outcome is true. And then it tells that the code will tell that you have infinite solution. So you might be wondering what exactly is this condition? I mean, it looks weird because let's look at infinite solution. We'll get to see the difference, right? I mean, this looks weird than what we have learned. So let's write it down. We're looking at a case wherein you have infinite solution. So we're looking at a1 by a2 being equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. These two are conditional statement itself written in a different format, which we can understand. But for coding or the computer won't understand this. So we have to tell it in a language which it understands. So now this I can rewrite this as, okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, while the other condition can be rewritten as a1 by a2 being equal to c1 by c2. If both of this satisfies, and then we have our top statement. This two are equivalent. This bunch is equivalent to this. So you can clearly see I have written A1 by A2 is equal to C1 by C2. But you might ask, what is this and where is this? Well, I've taken this expression, cross multiplied it. A1 into B2 is equal to A2 into B1, and then rearranged A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1 equals to 0. Okay, so that's what I've typed over here. The next question might be, can't we do this, similar to we're done over here? Can't we do that? Well, we can. So we have by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Okay, so let's clear this. Now let us check if we have done it right. So we'll give a input which gives infinite solution. So let me double those values, 4, 6 and 10. So yes, we have infinite solution and this is the graph, right? Okay, say this, all this is well and good, executes, we have infinite solution. What if it's not true? What if this condition is not true? The program will go to the next condition being for no solution, that is zero solution, zero real number solution. So we have case zero solution. So you guys have to tell me the condition. It's okay, you can tell, I'll be able to hear. Okay, you guys are thinking about this. Good, right? No. Oh, not that. Yes, this. Okay, a few of your friends were wrong, so I just corrected them. But yeah, this is your condition, right? So I can rewrite this as, can you guess? Similar to this, with an and in the middle. Yes, we have A1 by A2 being equal to B1 by B2, and A1 by A2, is it equal to or not equal to? Good, not equal to C1 by C2 or B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Okay, so here I coded that not equal to sign with exclamatory mark, right? So let's have a look at that. So one is your 33 being equal to 33, which gives us true. 313 is not equal to 313. Obviously, it is true. Well, it is equal. So basically, the first part will give you true, and the second part will give you not true. So overall, the result is false. But what if I have what if I make this condition true? 313 is not actually equal to 31, is it not? Then the outcome is true. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. And replacing this above condition is this two condition with an and sign. That's the whole idea. So say this two does not satisfy. The program will not find this two condition to be satisfied. What next? By default, unique solution is executed. So here next to else, like if and else if I don't have a condition, this unique solution will get executed. So I'll explain it to you with the help of flowchart. So the program starts, a lot of coding in between, and then we have if equal to two conditions. If this is satisfied, yes, this is satisfied, and the program will flow like this. The code is executed, and it will exit the loop, the conditional loop. So what does it mean? See, if my condition is satisfied, okay, we'll go there, and then we'll see else if. Then it is like, okay, I'm done with this condition, so let me get out of this, because all of this is one conditional statement. Okay, so immediately it comes out of it, and whatever is there next, post else, that will be executed. Okay, so that I can show you. Print I am outside. So here I'll make print I am in else. So now my theory is this. If you're looking at if this condition is satisfied, this will jump out and whatever is there after else, that will start executing. So let me check this theory if it's true or not. I have to prove it to you guys, is it not? Okay. So 2, 3, 5 and 4, 6, 10. So the given equation has infinite solution and I am outside. So that's how the programming language works. Now, so this executes and it will come out. Say it's not true. Then else if is looked into, the condition of equal to and equal to not equal to is looked into. If yes, we have this to be true, then it will execute the code in between. Okay. So we're looking at a different flow. So it will go this way since nothing is happening over here. It will jump directly to else if. And if this condition is satisfied, it will execute this. It will look at else. It will jump and print this. Okay. So we have here 0, the condition being no solution. So that particular code will be executed and will jump to out. This is infinite. And say this is not, these two are not satisfied. Then this particular code is checked, sorry, not checked and directly executed because we already know that if not for infinite and 0, it has to be unique solution. Okay, it's not that we have to have else in all the programming places. No, it's not required. In this case, it makes sense to have else and the code. Only when these two conditions are not satisfied. Right? It will check the condition. No, it will check this condition. Then no. Then it will go to this, execute, and it will continue with the execution. So that's how it works. I hope I helped you guys with understanding the condition a bit better, a lot better, and some aspect of coding as well.